Ever wonder what it takes to build a fortress of financial stability? Well, join me as I show you the blueprint to my financial funding, revealing my 10 streams of income that not only sustains me, but challenge the very definition of traditional wealth accumulation. Get ready to rethink your approach to income generation and unlock the door to limitless financial stability. My journey towards multiple streams of income wasn't a deliberate one from the get go. It was born out of necessity and a few hard lessons. See, there were times when I found myself without a job, and other instances where I felt trapped in roles that offered me little or no fulfillment. These experiences sparked a fire within me, a drive to take control of my financial destiny and break free from the constraints of a single source of income. I began to explore the concept of diversifying my income stream. And let me tell you, it's been nothing short of transformative. Why is diversifying our income source so crucial? Nobody's coming to save you. Well, let me paint a picture. Imagine your income as a house of cards standing on a single pillow. Now, what happens when the pillow crumbles? The entire structure comes tumbling down. Now, if your income is very robust with multiple pillars of support, each representing a different streams of income, if one falters, the other remains steadfast, keeping your financial foundation intact. For me, diversification isn't just about the risk. It's about seizing control of your financial destiny. Now imagine this. If you have a source of income for each bill that you pay and having those bills on auto pay, that's a different level of financial stability. So on this journey, as I unveil my 10 income streams I've cultivated, each one is a testament of resilience and endless possibilities that await you when you take charge of your financial future. Hey there, my name is Tamika Davis-Gooden and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited that you're here. Thanks for taking the time out to join me, as I always consider time as a commodity, and I want to thank you for your few minutes that you're about to spend with me. Income stream number one. I'm a radiographer sonographer by profession. I'm in the medical field. I have a full-time job. I'm not yet a full-time entrepreneur. So I get a monthly paid annual salary. And that income stream provides some amount of stability where every month it will take care of the mortgages and the utilities. But while the monthly source of income provides some amount of security and stability, or depending solely on one source of income, will leave you vulnerable and exposed to financial challenges. That's where the importance of diversifying your income stream comes into play, even within the context of your traditional employment setup. So my second source of income is having my Airbnb. This was one of the best decisions that I've ever. Leveraging Airbnb as a supplementary income stream is an excellent way to diversify my earnings, especially as a sonographer with a full-time job. Here's how you can incorporate Airbnb hosting into your financial strategy. So it allows me to generate income without the need of significant upfront investment. I've already have the house, so I just put it on Airbnb. This approach typically yields a earning compared to collecting a monthly rent. This is a lucrative long-term investment, particularly because my property is in high demand and it's in a tourist area. Having the Airbnb create a flexible and stable income stream, and it goes hand in hand with my full-time job. With proper planning and management, Airbnb is a valuable component in my overall financial portfolio. It's not passive because you have to be involved in the day-to-day running, but it's minimal work. So my main stream of income is not affected by it. So my next stream of income is providing consultation, Airbnb consultation. Providing consultation services for Airbnb hosts is another stream of income, especially since I've had the experience and the expertise in the hospitality industry as well for a few years. I help their listing optimization, in which I help them to optimize their listing on Airbnb in order to attract more guests and to maximize the booking. So you want to create compelling description, have eye-catching photos, and give it a good property description, and having a pricing strategy where you have a pricing per season and depending on the properties around you, because you have to stay competitive in order to receive these bookings, because remember, persons are looking on different Airbnb in the surrounding area as well. Also, I help with interior designing. So I look at the property and what they have and make suggestion as to colors maybe, or what is needed in terms of what are the necessary things that you should have inside, making it appealing as suggest the core furniture arrangement and amenities that is needed. If not, so we'll take a look at that together. And we'll also again look at the different properties to make sure that your interior and your decor is competitive enough and is up to standard. Also, we look at guest experiences. So you want to try and enhance your guest experiences. How do you treat your guests? How you respond to messages? The advice that you give when they're checking in, when they're checking out. What is your communication between you and the guests? And you want to have some personalized welcome, personalized amenities. You want personalized welcome gift baskets as well. So adding little touches to make the guest experience a lot more like resort style. Also, I'll help with operations and management. I share best practices for managing your properties, including how do you manage your housekeeping and your housekeepers. Do you have housekeeping protocols? Do you have maintenance protocols? And offer insights, streamlining the operation. When does the housekeeping person comes in after a person check out, just to make sure you have everything in place so it goes on auto once you start to do it. There are certain things that you do at certain times. So I'll help you to come up with those things, including the persons who are working with them. And we go through your performance analysis. What does your last month booking look like? What's the next 3 months look like? Do we need to adjust something in order to attract and get more guests in the next coming month? What is your strategy for the next month if you don't have any booking at this point in time? You want to adjust pricing and your listing just to attract more guests. So we look at that as well. So by offering consultation services to Airbnb hosts, I leverage my expertise to help others, and in turn I collect cash and I help persons with short-term rental market while generating additional income, because I'm already doing it. I'm just offering my advice and in turn making and having another source of income. And I have a few great clients who have done so well and very successful. So in case you're interested as well, you can go ahead, comment in the description below, or send me a message or send me an email if you need assistance with your Airbnb listing. So another interesting source of income that I have, and I'm staying within the hospitality industry for now, I have a transport and tour bus service. I provide convenient transportation service to and from the airport. That's the airport in Montego Bay along the north coast. So what we do, we pick up guests, caring for them from the airport to different tourist destinations, visiting some prestigious hotels like Sandals and Royalton, just to name a few. So the service runs from Montego Bay to Falmouth to Discovery Bay to St. Anne's Bay onto Otrius into St. Mary. And so I tap into the tourist industry to supplement my earnings. That's another form of income that I have. And this is passive at this time because there's nothing that I need to do. It runs automatic. It's in Jamaica. So I have somebody who will, you'll get the list of the guests that's coming, the pickup time, the driver has his work to do. We'll go and pick up the guests and we'll get paid and I collect the profit. It is running right now on auto. I get paid just for having that service. So in case you're going to the Montego Bay Airport in Jamaica and you need a service from the airport to your destination or a taxi service or a ride home, we can do that for you. So you can contact me. My next streams of income, switching gears from the tourism industry, and I'm going to where I buy stocks. Yes. So investing in stocks is a rewarding way in growing my wealth over time. I can earn money from the stock. So when I buy the stock at a certain price and it increases, I can sell it at a higher price and then I'll get the realized profit. So for example, I buy a stock at $2 or when it's an IPO at $2 and over a few years it's increased, or maybe over a year the price is now $6. That's 3 times the amount that I buy a share for. So at that time I am in profit. I can pay that cash as profit or my earning. Another way in earning from buying stock is dividend income. So you want to buy stocks that pay dividends. So it depending on the company, you get a dividend every 3 months, every 6 months, or for the year. And that is cash in your pocket. So you get money from your stock each time and it's called dividend. That's another way how I earn on my stock. So imagine having 3-4 different stocks that pay dividend, then you have a profit. That is a steady income stream for me. Well, the stock price will change, but for now it's very steady. And some of the times I don't take that dividend money, I'll invest that dividend money back in the stock to buy more shares. So as the share increases and I'm buying more shares, my money increases. And also there are some stocks that have potential for long-term growth, so I'll invest in those stocks over long term, like a period of 10 years. So investing in stocks, it have a strong potential for long-term capital appreciation, so the price will appreciate over time. So I'm looking at significant return because over the years the stock will grow and it will grow significantly, and that way you'll profit over time. So I have planned for some of my stock and holding them for 10 years. It's important to know that investing in stock carry inherent risk, including potential loss of your capital, because the prices can increase. But what you should know or bear in mind that the price can also decrease. And sometimes there is volatility in the market, so you have to pay close attention to what is happening. And it is crucial to conduct your research if you're getting involved in stocks and buying those stocks. And again, my favorite word is diversify your portfolio. So you want to buy stocks from different category or different section, or have an investment strategy. Talk to your investment advisor, as I'm not an advisor, but you want to start investing in stocks. It's another way to earn income without you putting in your work, and this will also supplement your 9-to-5 job or your other streams of income. Another stream of income that I have is investing in bonds, and investing in bonds offer stable income diversification for your investment portfolio. So bond is a little bit more stable than your stock. The stock prices will change, but the bond is more stable. Here's how I earn from the bond: interest income. So before I invest in a bond, there's a certain amount of interest that each bond will offer or provide. So say for example, over the last 2 to 3 years, there have been bonds that offering 11% to 13%, and these are annually and they'll have a term of like 3 years. So over the period of 3 years, every year you get at 10% from that bond, and it's more stable, and most of these companies promises that stream of income, so you can look forward to your percentage payment each year. And then with these you can also reinvest in the bond. So instead of taking that profits or taking that in cash over the 3-year period, you can reinvest that profit into the bond. So despite what is happening in the market, the bond will stay stable while the stock will fluctuate or it's more volatile. And again, you contact your financial advisor if you're interested in investing bond for yourself. So you want to come up with an investment strategy and to identify your risk tolerance or your tolerance level in investing in these bonds. So overall, bonds offer reliable income and capital preservation to diversify your income. So my next stream of income is investing in ETF. ETF is exchange traded fund. It offers diverse ways to earn returns. One way is capital appreciation. Again, the prices of the ETF when you buy them, and once you buy it, then the price goes and you make a profit from that. So if you want to sell when the price goes up, you sell at a higher price. Another way is through dividend income. ETF often contains dividend paying stocks. So ETF is like a package of different companies together. So there are companies within the ETF package that will pay dividends. Also, you can gain interest on your ETF. Bond focused ETF generate interest bond holdings and is distributed to shareholders. So overall, ETF offer potential capital appreciation and dividend income and diversifying your investment portfolio. And again, it depends on your tolerance risk or what your goal is. So you have stocks, you have bonds, and you have ETF. Feel free to invest in any one of them. The profit is very good if you want to invest long term. You wait a few years as the prices increase, and the longer you stay, you will get a higher profit. So this is the exciting one. I should tell you that investing in Bitcoin is another stream of income. I'm a 13%er. I believe in the future of Bitcoin, and the way how I invest in Bitcoin is through dollar cost averaging. It's just like the other investments where you'll have the prices go up and the price will come down, but eventually the price will go. So you want to buy low and keep buying low, and once the price increases, then you will profit. And I'm looking to do that within the next 4 to 8 years in holding what I have and continue to invest in Bitcoin using the dollar cost averaging. So I've been doing that since 2021, and we've seen the prices goes higher, go back down, and it's back up again. So you want to catch it when the price is falling and when the price is low, so that once it increases, you'll be in profit. It's a little bit no against the norm, but I believe in the future, and it's a long-term investment in my portfolio, so we'll see. Another stream of income that I have and I'll do daily is Forex trading. I've ventured into the world of foreign exchange market, and this is where I leverage the prices and understanding the trends of different currencies. So you want to the US dollar, understand the GBP, pound, and the yen. You want to understand what is going on in the different financial market by looking at the chart. Yes, it's something that you have to study, something that you have to understand. It's not a scam. You can make daily profit from investing in Forex trading. So the goal always is to earn 2 to 3% per day. That's not always the case every day, but for most time that is achievable. My strategy is to focus on 1 to 2 pairs and take 1 to 2 trades per day with the aim of gaining 1 to 3% in profit each day. So that's my other stream of income, and it's definitely not passive. So moving on, my next stream of income is selling on eBay. I sell product on eBay. There are 2 ways how I do it. I buy products at lower prices, list them at higher price on eBay and sell them. Or the other way is to list products that I haven't bought, and once somebody buys the product, I'll buy the product from wherever it's coming from or whichever site it's coming from and send the product to them and collect the profit. It's been profitable in selling my products on eBay. So it's either drop shipping or e-commerce arbitrage, you call it. So by selling on eBay, I tap into the online market space where you don't have to advertise your product on eBay. eBay by itself is a marketplace that is booming every day. People shop on eBay every day. So you just want to find a few products or products that are selling and list them on eBay. You get your sales, make your profit, and collect the money. So you want to make sure that you're visible. You want to follow the different trends, and the most important thing is to provide good customer service on eBay. Once you do that and you're making sales, you make some amount of profit and income on eBay. So you see, I left from the tourism industry to the stocks and bonds, now investing in the Forex market, and now selling drop shipping on eBay. So there are different areas with multiple streams of income. And I'll add another stream of income that I've been exploring over the past few months is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is very simple. So you recommend products. So the sellers will give you products or services that are marketable and we all need. And once you buy that product or use that service, I'll get a commission. So there are different commissions, whether you're getting a 1% to 10%. There are different products that you'll get a one-time payment. Affiliate marketing now is one of the easiest way to make money online. Join the Amazon affiliate program and refer different products on Amazon. And once somebody buys that product or click on your link, you get a commission. And affiliate marketing does not require any upfront finances. You don't have to buy anything with affiliate marketing. You just need to plan and strategize on how you will execute on making these sales or these references or leveraging these platforms. And once you do that, and do it consistently, you can increase your income, and you'll want to share it with more people. And the more people you share, the more persons use the service, your income will increase. So you want to spark curiosity and intrigue with these products that you're using. But affiliate marketing is a great source of income as well. So in conclusion, multiple streams of income offers a pathway to financial resilience and personal growth. You have control over your financial future, and by diversifying your income and build a robust, consistent, sustainable income portfolio. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start exploring additional income streams today. You can go ahead and try some of the ones that I'm doing, and if there's one that you're interested in, go ahead and list it in the description below. If you want me to share how I'm doing it in another video, I'll be happy to do so. There are simple ways you can diversify your income and have different income streams. And some of these income don't take a lot of effort. Some will take minimum amount of effort. Some of these income are passive, while others are not so passive. But I'll encourage you to try. So these are my streams of income. as I will continue to add these to increase my earnings each month. And I managed to do these and still have a 9 to 5 job.